I'm not questioning the authority of the Speaker. I'm not questioning the prerogative of the government to have bills declared as money bills. This was a bill that the UPA government had introduced. It was rejected in toto by the then standing committee, headed by the former Finance Minister, Mr. Yashwant Sinha. This was a promise made in the budget a few days ago. I want to reiterate, we want this bill. We are strongly for this legislation. I want to reiterate this. We have no desire to circumvent any procedure. We have no desire to weaken the legislation, but we want an opportunity to study the new legislation. And I would request the Honorable Finance Minister to give us that opportunity and not take us for granted.
No, even if it is a money bill, it will come here. Only thing is that... Okay. Now, Finance Minister.
Sir.
Finance Minister, please.
Sir, let me at the very outset clarify. The government has given a very serious thought to this matter. The new bill, and when it comes to this House, this Honourable House will get an opportunity to discuss it, is substantially and significantly different from the earlier bill. The earlier bill was designed in both pith and substance as a unique identification, and it dealt with that subject. The present bill, the core of the present bill is that those who want the benefits of any monies or subsidies from the Consolidated Fund of India, the targeting of that expenditure must be to the deserving. And therefore, that bill creates a machinery for that particular identification. Now, it is the prerogative, as the Honourable Chair has rightly mentioned, of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. I have introduced the bill. I was permitted to introduce the bill today. Members of the Congress Party and a few others have raised certain issues. I have addressed those issues. And under Article 110 of the Constitution, it is the prerogative of the Speaker to certify or otherwise with regard to its character as a money bill. This House does not sit in appeal over what the Speaker in the other House decides. And therefore, a discussion on this question as to what the Speaker would decide is a sole prerogative of the sovereignty as far as that House is concerned. Shri Azad rightly mentioned that many other bills which he thought were not money bills. In 1986, the Juvenile Justice Bill was introduced as a money bill. In 1969, the Workmen Injuries Compensation was introduced as a money bill. The South African Bank Bill was introduced as a money bill when his party was in power. I am not sure whether he is aware of that. As far as the present government is concerned, we will only introduce those bills which are squarely within Article 110 as money bills and not otherwise. It's a matter for the other House and the Speaker to decide.
All right.
This House
Now
in any
the
case
bill
will
comes.
get an opportunity to decide.
आपने जो बात उठाई बिल्कुल सही बात उठाई है। दो तीन गलतियां मैंने की। कांग्रेस पार्टी में हम गलती कर सकते हैं, आप लोग कभी गलती नहीं करते हैं। आप लोग सब कुछ जानते हो, आपको सत्य मालूम है। हम सत्य को ढूंढते हैं, हम सत्य के बारे में सुनते हैं। धन्यवाद।
नहीं सर, नो सर, he has accepted that they are committing mistake, but after the committing mistake they have to learn the lesson. Still they are not ready to learn the lesson. This is the problem of the Congress party.
Please continue, please.
Congress party का problem क्या है? With the experience they don't want to learn. That is their problem. वो गलती करते हैं बोल रहे हैं ना, गलती करते हैं लेकिन सुधरते नहीं है।